Good afternoon all. Today we are going to study about HTML. Next chapter, chapter 4. Introduction to HTML. So first of all we want to see what is HTML. So the full form of HTML is Hypertext Markup Language. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. And HTML language is used to create web pages, and these are the some of the features of HTML. It is not a case sensitive language. Case sensitive means if you write the code in capital letter or small letter, both are treated as same. But in other languages like C or C++ or Java, it is a case sensitive language. We can write the program only in lowercase. But in HTML, it is not a case sensitive language. You can write the code either in capital letter or small letter. That's why it is known as non case sensitive, in case sensitive. Next feature is it is a platform independent language. Platform independent means we can run the code in any operating system. If you write the program, HTML program in Windows operating system or Linux operating system, and if you run the code, you can run the same code in any operating system. That is what platform independence. Next, HTML language allows the creation of hypertext and hyperlinks. Hypertext means you can create images, audios, videos, anything can be created in the web page. And also hyperlink means when you click any links, it will open another web page. You may see in some web pages when you click on about us, it will lead to another page. When you click on contact us, it will show open another web page. If you click on any careers link, it will open the corresponding web pages. That is what hyperlinks. So these are the features of HTML language. HTML language is used to create web pages. It is not a case sensitive language. It is platform independent language, and it allows creation of hypertext and hyperlinks. And it is developed by Tim Berners-Lee in 1991, and it when you save in HTML file, it has an extension .htm or .html. That will be the extension of HTML files. And also it is a tag based language. So HTML code you will write using different tags. Okay, so we can study about tags. So tags means these are the labels which are used to mark up the start and end of an element. And tag has a tag name surrounded by angular brackets, less than and greater than, that is what angular brackets. So all the HTML tags are enclosed in angular brackets. For example, HTML, it is one tag and it is enclosed in angular brackets. And HTML tags normally come in pairs like starting tag and ending tag. Okay, so that starting tag we will write within angular brackets the tag name, and end tag will be written as with it is also written within the angular brackets, but the difference is there will be a slash symbol at the beginning. Okay, so tags come in pairs like starting tag and closing tag or ending tag. And every tag has some attributes. So attribute means it provides additional information to the HTML element or HTML tag. So attributes means it always comes in name value pairs, like name equal to, that is attribute name equal to value. And it must means attribute values must be enclosed in double quotes. It is also case insensitive, means you can write either in capital letter or small letter. So this is a syntax or the grammar of using the tag name and attribute. First you write the tag name, then give a space, then attribute name equal to within double quotes value. If there are more than one attribute you want to specify, you can specify by giving a space. So tag name space attribute name equal to within double quotes value 1. Then again if there is another attribute, give another space, then second attribute name equal to within double quotes the second value. After that close the angular brackets and give the end tag or closing tag. So for example, there is a tag table tag. So first of all you give angular bracket, then tag name, that is table, then attribute name, that is border, equal to within double quotes 0. So 0 is the value of that attribute border. So it will define a table having no border. Another example, there is another tag body, and one of the attribute of body tag is bg color. So bg color equal to red. So bg color is the attribute name and red is the value of that attribute name. So that's about tag and tag attributes. So there are two different types of tags in HTML. First one container tags and second one empty tags. So we can see what is the difference between this container tag and empty tag. So container tag means the tags which include an opening and closing tag are called container tags. Container means it consists of both opening and closing. For example, tag name, then you write the content, then closing tag. So these are the examples of container tag: HTML, then /HTML, head /head, title /title, body /body, B tag, U tag, B for bold, U for underline, I for italics. All these are container tags. Whereas empty tag means tags that have only opening tag and there is no closing tag are known as empty tags. Example, BR. In order to give a line break, we will use the BR tag. Then HR. HR will be used to represent a horizontal line. Then IMG to insert images. So these are the different examples of empty tags: BR, HR and IMG. So the tags that have only opening tag and no closing tag are known as empty tag, whereas the tags having both opening and closing are known as container tags. So in HTML almost all the maximum number of tags are examples of container tags and only some are empty tags. Next we can study basic HTML tags. So if you want to write an HTML code, you want to know the basic HTML tags. So first of all, HTML. So HTML is one tag which is used to represent the beginning of an HTML document. Second one, head tag. It defines the document header. Then title tag, as the name suggests, it contains the title of the document. In the title bar, what name you want to display, that name you can give within this title tag. Then body tag, this is the important one, body tag, which contains the main content will be given inside this body tag. So all the contents of a document or a web page will be given inside this body tag. So these are the basic HTML tags in order to create a web page: HTML, head, title and body. HTML tag is used to represent that it is a HTML code, or it is used to create a web page. And head tag and title tag, inside the head tag we will write the title tag. So head tag will define the document header, and title tag contains the title of the document, and body tag contains all the contents of a web page. So these are the four basic HTML tags. So this is the structure of HTML. First you want to write the HTML, and at the end you want to close HTML. Then head and slash head. In between you can write the title tag, and you can specify the title of the web page, for example school website. And then comes the body tag. Since it is a container element, you want to write the closing tag also. Okay, so using the slash. So inside the body you can write the content of the web page, either one paragraph or two paragraph, whatever it is, or images or tables, whatever it is, all this comes inside this body tag. So this is the basic structure of a web page. So in detail you can study in the coming classes. That's all for today. So from the exercise you want to write down 3 questions and answers in your notebook. First question, what is HTML? So the answer is the full form, that is HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, which is used to develop web pages. Second question, what are the features of HTML? So first feature, it is used to create web pages. Second feature, it is not a case sensitive language. Third one, it is a platform independent language. And fourth one, it allows creation of hypertext and hyperlinks. And third question, differentiate between empty tags and container tags. Empty tags means it has both opening and closing tags. Example, HTML, head and body, title, everything are examples of container tags. Empty tag, the tags that have only opening tag and no closing tag, are called empty tags. Examples, BR, HR, IMG. So please write down these 3 question answers in your notebook. Thank you.